Hello and welcome everyone to our Citizen Institute and Training Center YouTube channel. So welcome back to our object-oriented playlist, and we have seen the object-oriented ABAP features in the previous session. Now we will continue from this part, and in this video we are going to discuss our local classes. So introduction to local class, and we will also see the attributes. This will be basically our third video. Okay, so what is a local class? Local class is a local class. So a local class is a class. A local class is a class which is defined within the scope of a ABAP program or function module. Okay, and similar to, or we also know, a class consists of attributes, methods, events, interfaces, etc. All those things, lots of things a class usually consists of, friends also, lots of things, right? Now if I talk about the attributes, so type of attributes here, but before that, what is a attribute? What is a attribute, so that we can understand how we are going to use this concept with us. So a attribute is like a variable, which can be used to store some data. A attribute is like a variable which can be used to store some data. Now types of attributes that we have. Types of attributes. So first one will be your static attribute. Second will be your instance attribute. And third one will be your constant attribute. Three types of attribute are there: static, instance, and constant attribute. We all know static is a class property. So it is a class property, and static attributes can be accessed by using the class name as well as by using the object also. That's why it is a static attribute. Then class data keyword is used to define the static attribute. Class data keyword is used to define the static attribute. Then we have the instance one. So a instance is a object property. Okay, it is a object property. Instance attributes can only be accessed by using the object name. And third is data keyword is used to define the instance attribute. Data keyword is used to define the instance attribute. Then you have a constant attribute. So it is a attribute whose value is fixed. whose value is fixed. Constants keyword is used to define the constant attribute. And the last one is it can be accessed by using the both class name and the object name. By using the both class name and the object name. Okay, right? So let's implement it so that we can understand. I will go for SC38 and I will create my zlocal class. I will create my local class here. And I will go for type as executable. I will pass the package and transport request. Then let's go for implementation. So class, local class, definition, and class. So the order of section is like public. Public will be at first. Then we will have protected section followed by private section. Okay. In the public section, I will define this data. So class data, I will make it static value, type integer, value 10, value 10. Then instance attribute, data keyword. So instance value, type integer, value 10. And then constant attribute. So constants, C value, type integer, value 30. Okay, there is no method, so there is no need for class implementation. I will go for directly start of selection and let's print it. So write a statement. I will go for my class name, local class, and my S value. Since it is a static, we can call it by using the class name. Let's check our constant. So local, your C value. Okay, let's activate it and execute it. Yes, we are getting the value 10 and 30. But what if I will try for my I value also? See, it's not providing any help. And even if I will try for this thing, it will give me an error. What is the error? This is class keyword is only for static one. Okay, so we cannot go for this thing. We will need to create our object for this class. So I will create my object data, local object is equal to new keyword, my class name, local class, and now I will perform the same operation but using the objects, using my object. So LOBJ, my static, LOBJ, instance, and LOBJ, my constant. Okay, let's activate it and check it. See, 10, 10, 30. What's value is 10, 10, 30? Okay, let's change it to 20. Yeah, now it's perfect. Yeah, see, so instance is only for objects, well, meanwhile classes, meanwhile this static is dedicated to class and objects both. Okay, so I hope this concept is clear, right? So thank you very much for watching the video. We will continue from next part. Please don't forget to subscribe our Ceridian Institute and Training Center YouTube channel.